My name is John Gouge, work for Charley Toppino and Sons. I'm the shop manager. Before Tenna, we had a magnetic whiteboard where we had little cutout pictures with the asset numbers of all the devices. So you could quickly look at the board and see what job number and what their locations were. The problem is it was a manual update. Tenna, compared to the rest of the options that we had for tracking systems, had maintenance tracking functionality as well as PM scheduling, in addition to the live asset tracking and utilization and sort of trip monitoring. Other tracking systems are just that. They track and then they tell you driver scores for braking, but didn't really handle the maintenance side of it. And that was really, for my role, that was key. I need to know where everything is and I need to know when it needs to be serviced. Shift over to a preventative maintenance focus, because now that everything's not breaking constantly, they can switch gears and go and service machines and grease them and go on site and take care of things in the field, which was something that they just haven't been doing before at all. We've been taking advantage of the utilization function in Tenna in order to identify non-used assets in the jobs so we can maximize their uptime and improve our productivity. I set up all the geofences around all the major job sites. It's extremely useful because you can quickly identify which assets are where. I can identify assets that are in the yard waiting to be dispatched, because sometimes, again, with wheels, they'll just drive up here and park them. It just seems lackluster, right? You're just like, oh, now it's just there. I don't have to do anything else. And it's just that weird feeling, oh, hey, all of a sudden, this is a lot easier. Oh, now I'm good. I don't have to worry about that. Now you can actually plan something different.